Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Windows Edition and preparing an account that can sign in remotely. Once done, open Settings System Remote Desktop and turn it on. Make sure the user you'll use is listed. Next, allow Remote Desktop through Windows Firewall and verify the rule for TCP 3389 is enabled. If you plan to connect across networks, note the PC's local IP address now. These steps get the host ready and avoid common permission or firewall blocks later. Now configure how you'll reach the PC. Assign a static IP or DHCP reservation so the host address stays consistent. This prevents lost connections. Enable network-level authentication in the remote desktop settings because it requires user auth before a session starts, reducing attack surface. If you must connect over the internet, either forward TCP 3389 to the host's IP or better, use a VPN to avoid exposing RDP directly. Finally, install the remote desktop client on the To finish, open the remote desktop client and enter the host IP or DNS name. Sign in with the authorized account and save credentials only on trusted devices. Make sure the account uses a strong password and enable multi-factor authentication if available to harden access. Keep Windows updated and test a local connection first, then try the remote link. If things go wrong, verify firewall, confirm the host IP. Ensure NLA matches client capability. Restarting the remote desktop service often resolves stuck sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.